Well, good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area near Westtown Commons Shopping Center, ready to report to you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next 9 days here in just a few moments. Today is Saturday, February the 4th, 2017. Excuse me. And as of 5 p.m., the skies were cloudy, and the temperature here was 45 degrees. The dew point was 12 degrees. The relative humidity was 27%. The winds were out of the south at 6 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 30.20 inches of mercury. Today's low, got down chilly this morning. Got down to 16 degrees today here in North Jackson. Today's high got up to 52 degrees, and of course it's down to 45 at the moment, or at least as of 5 p.m. And actually we had a little bit of rain during the 4 p.m. hour. 1/100th of an inch of rain fell here so far today since midnight, and radar is showing some light scattered rain showers around parts of West Tennessee, back on over into northeastern Arkansas, moving in our direction. So we're going to have about a 30% chance for some light rain showers on and off throughout the evening, but it'd probably be gone by midnight, if not sooner. Today's lowest relative humidity was 20% at 2 p.m. Yeah, that was pretty dry actually. And the highest would be 78% at 7 a.m. this morning. Today's highest wind gust was out of the southwest at 18 miles per hour, and that occurred at 2:12 p.m. Oh, and by the way, the coldest wind chill this morning was at 4 a.m. when it dropped down to 18 degrees. The wind chill, that is. Even though we had an actual temperature of 16 degrees, but there was no wind chill when the temperature dropped down to 16 degrees. The winds were calm, in other words. Alrighty, on to the sun rises tomorrow morning at 6:51 a.m. We're set tomorrow evening at 5:27 p.m. The moon will be setting tonight at 12:34 a.m., not long after midnight. And it'll be rising tomorrow afternoon, the moon, that is, at 12:32 p.m. The sun will be rising tomorrow morning at, I think I mentioned that one, 6:51 a.m. and set tomorrow evening at 5:27 p.m. I think I mentioned it. If I didn't, I did it after all. Alright, before it gets too confusing, let me move on to the records. For Saturday, February the 4th, 2017, today's hottest high would be 76 degrees. That happened in 2008. The coldest high would be 15 degrees, and that was in 1996 when that happened. The warmest low would be 59 degrees in 1986, and the coldest low would be 3 below zero in 1996. And incidentally, that 3 below zero in 1996 is the most recent low below zero that we've had in Jackson, Bemis area since 1994. So that's the most recent one. So it's been, 21 years since we've had a low in the winter season of below zero. So it's been quite a while. But 3 below zero in 1996. Thank goodness it's not going to be that cold tomorrow morning. And right now, no sub-zero actual temperature lows are expected. Thank goodness. Anyways, the rainfall record for today would be 2.85 inches, and that occurred in 2014. And once again, the snowfall record for February the 4th is 0. had no rain, no snow weather, no snow fell. Either at my location, observation station, or at the McKellar-Sykes Airport, um, since 1949 anyways, for the month of February. No snows fell on February the 4th on record. Alright, tonight's forecast is calling for mostly cloudy skies. They will expect the clouds weren't really supposed to come in until about 9 o'clock. Well, they moved in about 3 o'clock. They moved in about 6 hours early, but that's the way it happens sometimes. It'll remain mostly cloudy, and based upon radar and that 1/100th of an inch of rain, we actually have, like I mentioned earlier, about a 30% chance of more light scattered showers around the area. Should end before midnight, though, and shouldn't create a bigger rainfall amount or anything. The heavier rain is most likely going to wait till Monday afternoon on into Tuesday, probably. Anyways, it's going to be mostly cloudy overnight. The sun should come out tomorrow morning around 7, 8, 9 o'clock, somewhere along that time frame. We should have a low tomorrow morning of about 39 degrees. Tomorrow's high should get up to about 59 degrees, so that's actually won't feel too bad despite the some of the clouds. Well, actually, it should be sunny by tomorrow afternoon, and so that'll help it get up to almost 60. It should become cloudy, like I mentioned, though, again by tomorrow evening, around 8, 9, 10 o'clock or so. And we should have southwest winds of 5 to 15 miles per hour tomorrow. On into Monday, it looks like it's going to be a good 70% weather, 70% chance for some rain. Thunderstorms are possible by Monday afternoon. We should have a low near 44 and a high of 66. Hey, this will be nice, temperature-wise. Wind should be out of the south at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. The rain probably at this time appears like it'll begin around 3 or 4 o'clock on Monday morning, if that doesn't change between now and then. But as of right now, about 3 o'clock a.m. And that's going to, of course, carry on over into Tuesday when there's a 90% chance of more rain and thunderstorms. That decreases to 30% by Tuesday night. We should have a low near 59 degrees. That's pretty warm for a low. And the high should be about 65 degrees. 65 degrees on Tuesday. And it'd be a little windy with south winds at about 15 to 30 miles per hour on Tuesday. And there are some indications of a few isolated heavy thunderstorms that may occur on Tuesday. So we'll have to wait and see how that develops as the next couple of days or so goes by. Alright, and then rain should be ending around midnight Tuesday night or near that time, and that will lead to a fair sky Wednesday morning. It should become cloudy again, or at least mostly cloudy by next Wednesday afternoon, and then become fair again by next Wednesday night. Back and forth on that day. We should have a low near 40 and a high of 48 with northwest winds at 10 to 20. Next Thursday, the 9th, it should be mostly fair with a low near 31 and a high of 46 with north winds at 10 to 20. And on Friday, it's going to be mostly fair once more with a low near 31 and a high of 46 with north winds at 10 to 20. Next Friday week, the 10th, should be mostly fair with a low near 27 and a high of 57 with south winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Next Saturday, the 11th, looks like we've got a mostly cloudy sky coming with a 50% chance for some rain during the afternoon and evening hours with a low near 46 and a high of 65 with south winds at 10 to 20. Next Sunday week, the 12th, we should have mostly cloudy skies with a 60% chance for rain, with becoming just cloudy by next Sunday week night, with a low near 50 and a high of 61, with north winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And on Monday week, February the 13th, looks like it's going to be mostly fair that day, with a low near 40 and a high of 50, with northwest winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And I'm going to continue giving you a sneak peek at Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2017. Right now, it still looks good. Mostly fair skies expected as of right now, with the low near 34 and the high of 54, which is not bad for Valentine's, really. We'll probably have west winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 1957. Let's hope that forecast holds up. Would be nice, wouldn't it? Well, alrighty, that's it for tonight, my friends. I hope you have a very pleasant Saturday night, February 4th, 2017. I hope you wake up to a beautiful Sunday, February 5th, 2017. And I hope, of course, have a video update for you tomorrow evening at about this time. And until then, good night, my friends, and God bless.